If you want to check when your friend was last online on Telegram, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple way to see a contact's last seen status on Telegram PC using either the Telegram desktop app or Telegram web. This is a fast and easy method, and once you know where to look, it takes just a few seconds. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Telegram tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer or launch Telegram web in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, look at your chat list on the left side of the screen. Find the friend whose online status you want to check and click on their chat to open the conversation. As soon as the chat opens, look at the top of the chat window. Right below your friend's name, Telegram will usually show their current status or last seen information. Depending on their privacy settings and current activity, you may see something like online, last seen recently, or an exact last seen time. If the person is currently active, Telegram may show online. If they are not online and their settings allow it, you may see their last seen time underneath their name. This is the key place to check because Telegram displays this information directly in the chat header. Just remember that sometimes you may not see the exact time if that user has changed their privacy settings. In that case, Telegram may only show a general status instead of a precise last seen timestamp. But for many contacts, this is the quickest way to tell when they were last active. So again, open Telegram desktop or Telegram web, click your friend's chat, and look right under their name at the top of the conversation. That's where Telegram shows their online status or last seen details. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.